the problems we face today. Paper production leads to deforestation and high water usage, contributing to land degradation. At the same time, orange peels are often discarded as waste. Our innovation both addresses repurposing orange peels into sustainable paper.
Deck Oranges is a product that helps to minimize landfill waste and greenhouse gas emissions, specifically from oranges, turning it into a paper product for multiple uses. In line with SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, SDG 13, Climate Action, and SDG 15, Life Online. Our team of 3, with the help of our advisor, has brainstormed ideas to create our product to life.
Now, how exactly do we make these paper oranges? First of all, grab yourself some oranges. Wait, we don't actually need the whole oranges. We only need the orange peels. Now, as you can see from the orange peels, we have the inner white layer and also the outer orange layer that contains fiber. Now, first remove the white layer of the orange peels until you're left with the outer layer that contains all the fiber. Like so. Right, now that we have successfully removed the white parts, we will now be able to take our orange peels and cut them into small tiny pieces, preferably using a sharp knife or even some scissors. Like so. Now let's just speed up the process. Ta-dang! Now these are all of our orange peels that have been successfully shredded into small tiny pieces. Now that's left to do is to boil them. Now boil them in water for an estimated 30 to 45 minutes in order to soften the orange peels. Now that your orange peels have been boiled for 30 minutes, drain them on a paper towel in order to remove the excess moisture. Now all that's left to do is to blend them in a blender with some water. And once they've been blended, you can add your slurry of cornstarch and water to help thicken up our mixture. Pour the mixture into the blender. Close the lid and blend as such. Once it has been blended, transfer onto a piece of cheesecloth, flatten it out, and leave it to dry. And that is how you get oranges from papers.
What are the impacts of using paper that is made from orange peel? First, it is biodegradable, compostable, and full of potential for eco-conscious design. And it also reduces deforestation, repurposes food industry waste, and creates new job opportunities.
Now that we talked about what our product truly is, what about what our product can become? Who are we targeting our product towards? Oh man, it's grassy. Since we're on the topic of paper, our targets aren't only bookstores and publishing houses, but also students. Why? Because the majority of students in today's world still use physical notes and physical books to jot down information. There's even a movement amongst them to move towards more traditional ways, aka paper.
The citrus fiber contained in orange peel as a natural filler gives the paper a unique texture, strength, and durability, making it ideal for packaging, notebooks, and daily wraps. It is tough too, with some sample withstanding over tons of pressure. This is a big concern because methane is 84 times more potent than carbon dioxide. And guess what contributes to the methane emission? Yes, organic waste, like orange peels. That is why our innovation matters, turning orange peels into paper. So, this not only reduces the amount of paper waste, but also reduces the amount of organic waste that are sent to landfills. Thus, it reduces the methane emission.
Creating paper from orange peels reflect noble values such as compassion, responsibility, and innovation. By turning waste into something useful, this project shows care for the environment and willingness to protect natural resources. It also demonstrates creativity and courage to find sustainable solutions while promoting fairness to the future generations. This simple yet meaningful act highlights how noble value can guide us towards a more responsible and eco-friendly way of living.